So welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Mortal Shell 2 game crashing a startup, stuck on loading screen, not loading, not launching, not opening, lagging, freezing, black screen or several other issues on PS5. So let's go through the methods. The very first method is to restart your PlayStation. One of the best way to fix the issue is by restarting the PS5. It will resolve temporary bugs or glitches that is leading to such problem. Just open PS5 screen and click on PlayStation button. On controller, then select power button, then select restart PS5. Once your PS5 restarts, launch the game and check. Next method is to rebuild database. For that, switch off your PS5. Now hold on power button unless 2 beep sound occur. Now leave power button to enter safe mode. Here connect DualSense controller by USB cable, then select rebuild database. Next solution is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. First go to settings, click on network, click on settings, click on setup network connection. Here click on options under Wi-Fi frequency. You can switch to 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and then check if the problem is resolved. Next method is to enable or disable HDCP. For that, go to settings menu from the PS5 home screen. Now choose system, then select HDMI from the sidebar. Here toggle enable HDCP to on or off. Next is to check PS5 overheating. Make sure your PS5 is not overheating and is well ventilated. If it's overheating, try to cool down for some time before using it. This will help to fix the issue on PS5. Next is to restore licenses. For that, open settings, click on users and accounts. Move down to others on left panel. Now choose restore licenses. After that, select Mortal Shell 2 game. Click on restore. Finally confirm by selecting yes. Next is to change language on console. For that, open PS5 settings, go to system. Here choose language option in the left sidebar. Select current language. Now change the language to English or any other and then check if the issue is resolved. Next method is to sign out and unsign to PS5. For that, go to settings, click on click on users and accounts. Next go down and click on other option. After that, click on sign out option. Once done, again log into PS5 account and then check for the error. Next method is to change DNS settings. For that, open settings on your PS5, then click on network, go to settings, set up internet connection. Here select your network and press the options button. Then select advanced settings and change DNS settings to manual. Now change Google DNS primary and secondary. After that, choose OK to save. It is recommended to go to network, click on connection status, test internet connection to ensure it is working properly. Next is to check for game update. So you should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues and improve performance. So make sure to check for update option. Next method is to check storage space on console. For that, go to PS5 settings and move down to storage. Here you will see console storage and extended storage. Check each of them by clicking on it and then delete save data. Next method is to install software updates on PS5. For that, open settings on our PS5, then select system. Now go to system software, select system software update and settings. Next choose update system software if any update is available. Finally choose update using internet option. Next method is to reset your console settings. For that, launch settings on your PS5 and move to system. Now choose reset options under system software. Here choose reset default settings. At last choose restore option. Next is to reinstall Mortal Shell 2 game. For that, first highlight the game on your PS5 and press options on your controller. Now choose delete and confirm it. Finally restart your PS5 and install Mortal Shell 2 game again to check for the error. Next is to contact support. So if nothing works, then you should take help from the PlayStation support. Link is already in the description. Just explain the issue you are coming across and then the support team will try to resolve it from their end. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.